Hello friends, in today's lecture we are going to learn about the new data structure called as record. A record is a collection of relative data items. It is not hierarchical data structure, but the data is heterogeneous. They are not homogeneous like in array or in linked list, but they are relative data items. For example, if we are saving a record of a student, then the name of student, its birth date, its address, its phone number are the different data that are related to him, that is student. So we are keeping them using different level numbers, and hence a record is not a linear data type, but it is not also hierarchical data type. So while storing a record, we need parallel arrays, and they can be saved as a one record in single row. Here we are taking one example of student as a record, to keep the record of student as a data structure. So we are giving level numbers on left hand side, you can see in here. So first level number to the student, then second level number to its name. Now name is not a elementary data item, it is a group data item which consists of three parts: first name, middle name and last name. So the level number of this first, middle and last are 3, you can clearly see in here. Then again the level number 2 for birth date. So again birth date is a group data item, so it consists of 3 parts: day, month and year, so they are giving level number 3. Then address again come to level number 2, and as it is a group data item of city and pin code, the city and pin code get level number 3. Similarly phone, in that phone we have 2 parts, one is landline and another is mobile. So we can store this record or keep this record as per like this using level numbers. So question may be asked in the exam like that: what is give difference between record and linear array? So record is a collection of non-homogeneous data element, whereas linear array is a collection of homogeneous data element. It is collection of relative data called as field, whereas linear array is a collection of linear data elements only. Then record keep ordering is not possible. In record keep ordering is not possible, so we are give them level numbers. And in linear array, data items are natural ordered and stores in consecutive memory location. In a record we are referencing it, that data by level number, and in linear array we are referencing data by its reference by index number. To store a record in memory, we make use of parallel arrays as per the data fields available. So for example, for this student record, to keep the record of student, we required here from this given data 3 parallel arrays for name, 3 parallel arrays for birth date, 2 parallel array for address and 2 parallel array for pin code. So total we required 10 parallel arrays to keep one record. We can keep number of records together and make the file of that record, and we can access the student record by any one field. Suppose we want to access record of a day by using birth date of that student, then we can access it easily. So the keeping record is quite easy and helpful in retrieving the data. The last data structure that we are using is stack and queue. These are two different data structures, stack and queue, used according to the retrieving of data. The stack is also known as LIFO, that is last in first out, which means that the last data added will be taken first by using pop operation. So here data element added last can be retrieved first, and other is queue, which is as normal we said that queue, first in first out, that is which is added first will be get retrieved first. So when we want to do operation of addition or deletion at one end only, we use stack operation or we use stack data structure, and when we use addition operation at the end of the stream and deletion operation at the front of the stream, then we use queue. So these two different arrangements are we are using. For example, where we are using stack, we are using stack normally in memory operations, whereas in queue, queue is used in other processes like instruction. When we want to process the instructions, then instructions are processed according to queue. The first instruction will be executed first, then the next, and like that. So these are two different data structures, stack and queue, that are using. Question may be asked in the exam to explain stack and queue with example. Okay, thank you.